Oh, chat, we're running out of battery. So anyway, chat, I'm running out of battery, so we're gonna walk to the Hilton Wine Village. Everyone's looking at the fishies. And look, this bird's gonna eat a fish again. Is he gonna catch a fish? This is the night heron thing. That's what my cousin said. A night heron thing? They got a little guppy. And so he ate a guppy. He was eating a big fish the other day, chat. We got him on stream eating fish. Big freaking like, not big, but 2-inch freaking fish. So we're walking through this Hilton Hawaiian Village. We're in ABC and buy a couple beers. And then I'm gonna cut the 360 degree because we're running out of real estate for the battery. In the future, I'll have backup batteries on me, chat. A couple of Waikiki walkers are disappearing off the map, you know what I mean, chat? We know. I saw, some people get older. Stuff happens, so. That looks good. Spinach salad? No, it's like a salad. So we are broadcasting, chat. Hilton Wine Village. Is that Taiwan? Or no, Thailand? Not Taiwan. Thailand? My nephew's wife is from Thailand. No, Taiwan. So now my sister has little Asian babies, grandbabies too, chat. So I got Asian grandbabies, and now she has them. Who would have guessed? Too bad she's not like prejudiced and stuff. That would freaking be awkward. I have like the Japanese daughter, then the Filipino Japanese daughter or granddaughter, and then one Japanese white granddaughter. She's 75% white, and she's 25% Japanese. She got the blonde hair, chat, just like the grandpa. Which I got to dye my hair, chat. So it's gonna be dark blonde pretty soon again. Be ready for it. It's just my hair is like the sun bleaches it, chat. And I'm naturally one of these little kids that's all white hair, hanging outside all day long. I don't have to. I'm actually dyeing my hair darker. It's not gray. It's like I got a little gray in there, but it's mostly blonde. That was the color of my hair. Blonde. My sister, same thing. Or brown or blonde. We got the cat out of the bag. We got the cat in the bag, chat. Hilton Hawaiian Village. Wait, did I ever frickin' unmute you guys, chat? All right, let's go. Now you're unmuted, chat. Sorry for having you guys muted. Okay, chat? We're in Waikiki on a Sunday afternoon. Enjoying the Waikiki Beach. And look, they brought out the big beers already. I mean, the other beers. I don't like the big can, that's why. But we're gonna walk through the food aisle. I always do that for the colors and stuff, and just because then I get hungry. I want to eat something. So here you got musubis, really famous. Musubis are real famous, and then they got benko kimchi fried rice. That's pretty good too. But here you go. This looks like a nice tuna tomato and everything. See how it looks, chat? It looks happy, don't it? But too bad this pokey is like this is salmon, but this is like ahi, but it's previous. Oh no, thanks. I'm good. I'm good. Thank you. It's yeah. So we're over here, chat. Hello, hello. All right.
Aloha, you find everything okay, sir?
Yeah.
Just that one for you?
No, the two, not just that one.
Oh, just
That two?
okay.
All right. Just I want those two, not well. Unless you want to charge me for one. Yeah.
638, sir.
Is it gonna work over here? There we go.
Receiving your receipt.
Thank you very much.
Mahalo. Have a great night.
Yeah. You can charge me for one, chat. Chat. Here's like, is this a banyan tree, chat? I think this is a banyan tree. They should put a sign on it, right, chat? The Hilton might put a sign on what kind of tree it is. Because people are, they want to know what kind of tree it is, chat. Is it a banyan tree? I forget which, no, the shower tree, banyan tree. They don't have a sign on the tree. There's a sign over here, chat. Some of you guys are freaking weird, chat. All right, here we go. Are you kidding me? They don't say what kind of tree this is? There ain't like a plaque? Sometimes they have bird in here, chat. Sometimes they're a bird. But see that like I don't know. I think it's ban. I don't know, chat. It's not a. I wonder if these women over here know. So we gotta go find out, chat. Sumimasen, do you know what kind of tree this is? Is that a banyan tree? Yeah. It's a banyan tree. Okay, thank you. It's a banyan tree, chat. I thought it was a banyan. But they should have like a sign saying banyan tree. You know what I mean, chat? Right? We'll walk by the museum over here. That doesn't want to open. Here's the Chinese dogs blocking the way for the evil spirits, chat. Those are dogs. One on each side of dogs. They moved the selfie to right here. There's a selfie spot, chat. You're supposed to hop in the middle of O right there. Supposed to hop in the middle of O. Get in the middle of O, kid. They should have left a spot where they could stand back behind the O, chat. Wait, where's the... Oh, no, it's over there, chat. It's all the way over the corner on the... Yeah. This is Louis Vuitton. Yeah. They have like a... Is it Sunday? Did the Lions win? Did the Lions play today? Did the Lions play today, chat? Wait, we gotta find out, chat. If the Lions play today. I don't know, chat. Three to 9. They're playing right now. There it is right there on the screen, chat. Holy crap. 3-9, Detroit, second quarter. And they won last time against Green Bay, so. Lions of 3. Green Bay's 9. I think the Lions are going to pull it out, chat. I don't need to watch it, though. I do have my jersey when they win, though. I'll be wearing it next week. Go to the beach. So I talked to the captain. He's doing all right. What the frick is this thing over here, chat? Some little kid's bag? Or some kid's shirt. Little snots. We don't know, chat. We really don't know. But this camera's going to die. The Insta 360 will die. I would probably replace the battery about now. I do have batteries on the way. They used to have a selfie spot right here. But see how the ground's all eaten up? They had to move it, chat. Then we have the fish. I don't know why this water's so murky. From what I understand, they're $1,000 for each fish. $1,000 for one of them fish. That's why you can't like just feed him any kind of stuff. 3 to 9, chat. Come on, Detroit. Get your head out of your ass. Get your head out of your ass. Are we still muted? No, we good. Sorry about muting you guys, chat. Thanks for hanging around, Mr. Lurkers. We good. So I'm just gonna run the Insta 360 till it dies. Because I have this cable right here, right? This is to the microphone. I didn't plug power into anything. I'm sure I could probably put power. But the device I bought is actually for another freaking camera. It doesn't fit. So I'm just using this extension cord. It's working though, chat, so. I could probably plug in that power into the microphone. Maybe the power will go through. I don't think so, chat. But I still have to try. What I'm going to try next, right, chat? Is USB-C down to HDMI. I do have that cable. So I'm going to try to see if I can use the live view. It might work though, chat, and everybody's freaking out. And then I'll be the first to use the Insta 360 for the stream. And it automatically does the horizon thing good. But yeah, I'm going to do that. I'm kind of like I'm not shipping it back. And just to let you guys know, YouTube, or actually Google Fi, gives me $10 credit. I guess they like the idea that I'm streaming for people that can't walk. So they gave me a little credit there. And they like the 3D, you know, the 360 degree. It's not 3D, chat. I need two or three more people to do 3D. It's not just 360 degree. Flat 2D stuff. Flat 2D stuff. You better stop. Be nice to that dog. So we have a couple walkers that are missing. But that's, you know, we're all walking. We all know each other, kind of. Michael, Rick. I think I'm the youngest, chat. Look at the puppy. See, when you give them the breast thing, they're when you have the collar, right, they're really, now with the breast thing, yeah, they want to drag your happy ass. Look, there's another puppy in her arms. Be dog. Come on, lions, pull it out. Pull it out of your ass. See the dog, when they get the brass thing, they don't even cooperate. I think it